On the beaches of Long Island, Father Grabner shows his son the awesome power of the majestic sea. As a tribute to the lad, Father carves out a type of monument in the coarse sands, knowing that the tides will soon ravage it. Another tough lesson for the cub. With playtime over, Father knows it's time to set across the uncharted territory in search of new life lessons. With a nose 1,000 times more sensitive than that of a human, Buddy will be their guide. Moments into the search, Father Grabner has made a startling discovery. A horseshoe crab. Yes, it resembles a crustacean, but it is actually closer in relation to spiders and scorpions. This magnificent creature has the amazing ability to regrow limbs, has blue blood coursing through its body, and an unfathomable 9 eyes. Truly a wonder of the world, the horseshoe crab is considered a living fossil, having been on Earth for over 400 million years. With a young brain full of new knowledge, the young one is tired, so the Grabner family retreats to their barrack. Just another day in the life of one of nature's greatest observers, Michael Grabner.